Hi everyone, welcome back to English Trend, your go-to place for mastering English grammar. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and often overlooked topic, ellipsis. What is it? How does it work? And how can it make your English sound more natural? Stick around and we'll cover it all. Let's start with the basics. Ellipsis, in grammar, is when we omit certain words in a sentence because they're either implied or unnecessary. It's a way to make sentences shorter and more efficient without losing meaning. For example, full sentence, I like apples and I like oranges. With ellipsis, I like apples and oranges. See how we dropped the second I like? The meaning remains clear, but the sentence is more concise. Ellipsis can happen in different ways, depending on the sentence structure. Let's break it down into three main types. 1. Nominal ellipsis. This happens when we omit a noun. For example, full. Do you want a red apple or a green apple? With ellipsis. Do you want a red or a green apple? 2. Verbal ellipsis. This occurs when we drop part of the verb phrase. For example, full. She can play the guitar and she can sing. With ellipsis. She can play the guitar and sing. 3. Clausal ellipsis. Here, we omit part of the clause. For instance, full. If you want to go to the park, we can go to the park. With ellipsis, if you want to go to the park, we can. Now, why should you care about ellipsis? Well, it has several benefits. Improves fluency. Native speakers use ellipsis all the time, so mastering it can make you sound more natural. Enhances clarity. It removes redundancy and keeps sentences to the point. Saves time. Especially in spoken English, it makes communication faster. Here are some common pitfalls to watch out for. 1. Overusing ellipsis. Sometimes, omitting too much can make sentences confusing. For example, she likes pizza and pasta. This might leave listeners wondering what's missing. 2. Using ellipsis in formal writing. Ellipsis is great for casual contexts, but in formal writing, clarity is king. 3. Losing meaning. Make sure the omitted words are obvious from the context. Otherwise, you risk confusing your audience. Great job, everyone. Thanks for watching.